Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to short right here on Plus500. And if you want to short, this means that you are getting yourselves a sell position because a sell position is a short. So what we're going to do from here is we click right here on Bitcoin because we want to create a sell position on Bitcoin. You can also search right here for something else. And then we go right here to sell. Then we fill in right here for how many contracts we want to sell. So this is fine, 0.010. And then we select right here on sell. Then if you can see, we are having right here a sell position. And of course, if you click right here on edit, you can add a stop loss or a take profit to it if you want to do that. And then click here on update. But this is right now how you can short for yourselves on Plus500. So if you have any questions about shorting right here on Plus500, comment it down below so I can help you out right there. But for now, this was exactly what you need to know. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and ciao.